How do humans build a giant bridge in the middle of nowhere?
One mistake here could destroy everything. This futuristic bridge looks impossible to build. Billions of dollars are being used to build this highway.
Building a bridge in the middle of the ocean is insane. This empty land became a billion-dollar bridge project. This empty land became a billion-dollar bridge project.
They build this bridge while the entire city sleeps.
This river destroys everything except this bridge project. People said this bridge could never be built.
This city is building one of the biggest bridges ever.